Hey guys, so I like to get exercise in the morning, and as I hopped on my bicycle, I noticed that my bicycle has two basic shapes. It has circles and triangles with a couple of lines here and there. A bicycle is a means of transportation, and then that got me thinking about other modes of transportation like cars and boats and planes and trains and a whole bunch of other things. So this week, I've decided I'm going to do a series of directed draws where I'm showing you how to draw things that get us from one place to the other. So this morning, we're going to start with a bicycle, and I'm going to show you a really simple way to do that. At the end of the video, you'll see kind of how I break it up. So this video and the other videos that will follow this week are, before I actually start it, I'm actually going to draw it out myself and make sure I've got it the way I want it, and then get those basic shapes kind of lined out for you. So that way, when I get through the directed part of it, I'm going to show you those basic shapes in different colors and whatnot, so you can actually see what exactly I was doing. So anyways, yeah, that's what we're going to do this week. And so today, bicycles, and then cars and boats, and I think a plane. So, but that's what we'll be doing this week. So anyways, I'll go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys have fun. All right, guys. So as you can see, I have the bicycle already drawn out for myself. You're more than welcome to do that if you want to, but it's not required. But as you can see, the first thing I'm doing is I'm drawing this back tire. And when I draw circles, especially when I use ink of some kind or a marker, it can take me a little longer than usual, just because, you know, markers are very unforgiving. But that's basically what you want to do. Get those two tires drawn in there first, and then in the center of those two circles, you want to draw two smaller circles. And then kind of in between there, you're drawing another circle. And then on that smaller circle, you're drawing a line going up and a line going down, and then two lines to indicate the petals. Then next, you've got a triangle, and you can see kind of where it's connecting. It's kind of going through that back circle. But then I have this line that continues on upward just for a little bit. Then you have the next triangle, and that's basically just two lines because you have the base of the triangle, which is already there. And then what you want to do is get that seat drawn in. And then you want to draw another line that goes up a little past this triangle here, and then the handlebars. So this is our basic structure. And now if you want to add just a fun level of detail to it, you can always add the spokes into the tires. So I got the front one done, and now I'm doing the back one. And then you can always even add some more details if you want to by putting some even smaller circles in those other circles we made, and then complete the petals. Okay, so now we've got basically what we need done. Now I'm going to show you the different shapes I used when constructing this. So we've got all this kind of brackets in red. The first thing is to draw those three circles. So it's the two tires and then the smaller circle in between that. The second step is drawing two triangles. And I'll show you here in a second which ones those are, but I think you can identify those, but right there. So we have this back triangle and then a front triangle, and they're basically connected. And the third thing, we have two lines. And those two lines are basically the lines connecting from the smaller circle here in the middle to the seat, and then the same thing but connecting to the handlebars. And the fourth and final thing, you want to draw the seat and the handlebars. Just like this. And that's basically it, guys. We have our basic structure how we construct the bicycle, and then how we draw the bicycle. All right, guys, so that's how you draw a bicycle in its very basic form. So I have that image that I drew saved and sent off to Miss Neff. So when you guys need to reference that at any point during the drawing, you can pause the video and take a look at that drawing. So anyways, I hope you have a good day, guys, and we'll be doing some more later this week.